During this video exercise, we will take a look at the PowerCivil DTM analysis tools, and specifically the height tool. There's a tool palette for analyzing surfaces or terrain models. On that tool palette, you'll find tools to check elevation, to cut profiles, do volumes, display your surfaces with different themes, evaluate your surface from a water perspective or drainage perspective, fly through your surface in a 3D camera type setting. So various analysis tools to analyze or check your surface to see what's going on. And that's what we're going to take a look at. In this case, the height tool. So beginning on page 131 and continuing to page 133, we'll focus in on the analysis height tool. The data set that we'll be using is located under Data GeoSite DTM Analysis, where we provide you with a design file or CAD file and a surface or TIN file. So I'm going to open up PowerCivil, and I'm going to navigate to the Data GeoSite DTM Analysis folder and select my base.dgn file. In that design file, I'm going to access my main DTM tool set, and I'm going to bring out the analysis tools. That would be on the lower left corner of the DTM tool palette. I'm going to look at the height tool. The height tool, or height/slope as it's titled, allows me to look at any surface and check the elevation at any point on that surface. So I'm going to select the TIN file, site.tin, included with my dataset, and simply hit Start. And as I move my cursor into the view, it'll show me the elevation, the location, XY, of that cursor, and the elevation based on the surface as well as the slope of a triangle that cursor is sitting in. I can also toggle on contours, triangles, and flow arrow, set up some colors for that, and when I bring my cursor back out into the view, it'll show me the location X, Y, and Z, but it also graphically show me the flow direction, the triangle at that location, and the contour at that location. If I set up the text, for example, I'll set it to 10. Now when I come out there, you'll see a piece of text at the end of my cursor as well. And I can make that text as big as I need to make it. With display only turned on, it will allow me to display the text, but if I data point with display only turned off, it'll leave the text in there. And then of course it's part of the file, I can erase it. So display only will allow me to click and temporarily leave the graphics there, but as soon as I refresh, they go away. The height tool also has a slope option where I can check the slope at any location, and it'll display the slope or the slope between 2 points. So slope between point 1 and point 2. I can do slope percent, or I can do slope run rise, or I can do slope unit. So to display the slope, between the 2 points. So as I want to check any point anywhere on that surface, I can simply hit start, data point, and data point. Show me the slope between there. So it's useful for checking your surfaces and determining what the slope is or elevation is at any particular point in that surface.